I live with him. He needs some help. And this is it. This is what I'm fucking losing my fucking marriage to. This shit right here.
Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Baby, when I tell you that things are happening out here in these streets, and I'm just looking and saying to myself, my God, what is going on? Well, we have Amy Howard come out here in tears. And who is Amy Luciani? Amy Luciani is Dwight Howard's wife. And Dwight's ex-baby mama was none other than the fabulous and the gorgeous Royce Reed. Royce Reed had talked about what Dwight had done to her, how he had treated her, how he had treated the children, and nobody listened to her. Nobody believed her. People said she was telling lies. And I think, just for the record, when a woman complains to you about a man, believe her. 99.9999%, she's really telling the truth. And there's nothing worse than being told that you're telling lies by another woman. And there's nothing worse than another woman laughing at you and capitalizing on your hurt and pain to build a home. You will never build a home on another woman's tears. So we were really shocked when we had Amy Luciani out here in these streets in full tears. Let's listen.
To know me, you know I am so prideful and so private. It hurt me so bad to have to even protect myself in this type of way. But my marriage has landed me in a very dangerous position. My stepdaughter was just taken by CPS because of her father. CPS and the police have been here 3 times in less than 3 months, and I stood in it with my husband, even though I was scared for my own self. Whatever he wanted me to say, whatever it was, I'm thinking this is my husband. I had everybody around me saying, even after I tried to divorce him the first time, everybody around me says, you can't leave your husband this soon. You said through sickness, through health, through this, you said through good or bad. That's why I came back, but this is going way too far. But it's not even about me, it's about the kids. The stuff that I have to go through with the kids, I have to be witnesses to. I mean, the police at the house, they're asking me questions. I don't know how do I lie for my husband. I've never been married before. I'm in love with my husband. I don't want him to get in trouble, so of course I'll be his alibi, but this is going way too far. And now I'm getting mixed all in this. I've been with this man for 14 months. I cannot ruin my entire life for something that this person is doing. I just could not do it. I tried to get so much help. I asked for counseling in our marriage. We went through 2 different counselors. When I say I love my husband, I don't want to leave my husband, but the positions he keeps putting me in, and it's all over nothing. I keep telling people he needs some help, y'all. I live with him. This is not him. This is not the white. This is This is trauma, this is everything he been through, but just not the kids. I have to advocate for the kids. And I can't go down for what he's doing. So they took our daughter. And I'm just sitting there like, do I speak up? Do I be quiet? What do I do? But I caught this man. I caught this man forcing our 12-year-old son to cover for him. His son, to cover for him. He had him lying. I recorded it. He was coaching our son to lie on me, and I had to record it. And it's this shit. I try to tell everybody he needs some help. And ain't nobody wanna fucking listen because he got the money. I can say whatever y'all don't understand. I live with him. He needs some help. And this is it. This is what I'm fucking losing my fucking marriage to. This shit right here. I told everybody, y'all gotta help him. He is spiraling. I'm in here with him. I'm trying to love him through it. I was gonna run out the door. I was gonna leave him. But everybody told me, don't leave him. He's struggling. I stayed. But not this year. We got the police involved. CPS, you're lying on me. You making up alibis. You got our son, my stepson, lying. And thank God I recorded it. And he innocent in this. But you said just to protect yourself, you would take anybody out, including me. And I can't let you do it no more. I don't want to share the dirty secrets. I don't want to go out like how everybody else did this, man. But I gotta protect myself now. I'm uncomfortable. Now, I don't know what is gonna, I don't know. I'm uncomfortable. This man has the money. This man controls it all. And it's not about no money. I've been with this man for 14, 15 months. I never asked him for $1, nothing. I'm not on the credit cards. I just love him for him. But this shit is going too fucking far. And I'm so embarrassed. And I gotta even I'm just like, I don't know what to do. When I heard my stepson being coached to lie on me, I gotta protect myself now, and I know it's supposed to be through sickness and health, but this shit is scary. This is why I'm losing my fucking marriage. Because the money, y'all didn't want to help him.
I'm not mad at you for lying on me. And I love you still. And it is no beef, David, okay? You don't have to hide from me and run from me. I miss Amber. I'm going to be in this room in the corner. I'm not bothering you. You're innocent in this. But never forget, when you lie on people, David, you can get them killed, sent to prison or jail. You can. Yeah. So you must always tell the truth.
Yeah.
Telling the truth what you lie, how you made them lie. What are you doing in Layla's room? Framing her? He's literally in her room, framing her. And I'm going to record it all.
Amy, I tell you this. You're a good person because you're thinking of the children. They're your stepchildren. They're not your children. They're his children. They're the children that you have now fallen in love with and met into the marriage. The tag is itching me of this. Oh, I have to take it off. And because of that, you have a loyalty to the children because the children are young. A 12-year-old boy, what's that? That's a baby. Amongst drugs and all kinds of things, I would strongly suggest that you go find where the mama at so that she can come pick up her kids. To be around drugs is a terrible thing. It is a terrible thing. I once had a boyfriend who dabbled in white powder, should I say. I left. I did not wait. As soon as I saw it and I knew that it wasn't MAC powder and it was not my shade because it was white, I said, gotta go. He's dead now. I saw his mother once, and his mother was mad at me because I left. And I wonder what she would say today, because you enabled your son and now he's in the ground. Amy, don't enable Dwight. But for the very reason Royce left, and for the very reason that Royce was talking, you should have had a little bit more empathy. Because I see in the comments, oh, you know, Royce should not gloat. Royce should not this. Royce should not that. You were not in her shoes when she was screaming and shouting and everybody told her that she was crazy and insensitive. You were not in her shoes then. She has every right. She can keep it classy and not say anything. That's what I would do, because we would still bring up Royce's name and say, well, you know, Royce said this. But you can understand the pain. And here you are, Amy. You're in tears. You're showing out his candy. You better put that back. You better put that back, because you know what? He is not mad at you for telling the world, but he'll be mad at you because you have his SHIT. So if I were you, I would put it back. Needless to say, Royce had one or two things to say.
Until you do right by me, it's always been about the kids, bitch. It's always been about the kids. Now you want to speak? I'm still blocked up, so I can't see what the fuck you're saying. But now you want to speak because he brought you into it? Girl, it's everybody else's fault? Wow! So you just don't think any of us fell for the antics either, right? None of us fell for the narcissism. Are you fucking crazy, Amy? Amber? What is it? Like, are you serious right now? You called me crazy, right? You said I was jealous. You said I wanted him. When it's always been about the damn kids, and now you want to sit here and cry and sit here and be like, it's because of what everybody else did to him. No! It's because of what he does to people. Shit! I was just fucking first. I was collateral damage. Let's call Royce crazy, and people will believe it because I'm baby Jesus. Girl, shut up.
I see that was not bad enough. We had Dwight, who was giving an applause at a game, and he stood up to greet all of his fans. That's the kind of sick society we are. We have two women, in essence, who talk about his candy use and the fact that he grooms his young children. One has been taken by Child Protective Services. We don't think that's serious. Instead, everybody is giving him an applause. Do you see why they get away with it? Do you see why he thinks that he is unreachable? Because of stuff like this. It's disgusting. At the end of the day, Amy, do you see that you owe Royce an apology? You're out here in tears. And I have said it before and I'll say it again. For those of you that are new, when you're dating a guy, you're going to marry the guy, look for his ex-girlfriends. Look for a whole bunch of them. Talk to them. What happened? Why did you break up? Why did you break up? I want to know, because I'm trying to marry this man and I just want to make sure everything's copacetic. But you see, we women, we can be so useless with each other. We don't support each other. We backstab each other. Everybody wants to get the higher up. She's jealous. I'm different. You're not different, sis. You're ignorant and you're naive. That's what happened to Amy. You were ignorant. You were naive. Royce knew, and she got out of there with the skin of her teeth. And then you're sitting down now in a car, you're crying, you're emotional because of the children. It's always about the children. Listen to your sisters. Believe your sisters. Believe your fellow women. Because guess what? You will never build any kind of home on another woman's tears. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. Okay? All of my love. Mwah.
I'm gonna talk about Dwight on my page. Did y'all notice when we first got together, I was posting and I was so happy and it was Black love and then I was reading the comments. People was like actually adding my husband's name to talk about him. You have your opinions. I know my husband. I know who I married. Y'all don't know who I married. I don't know who y'all married. I stopped posting him because I could see if it was like people saying negative things about him. But y'all going out your way and y'all adding my husband. Y'all gonna add him to disrespect him on my page. We're not gonna do it. Honestly, he owns his past and people gotta stop responding with one comment.
My name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking